Alright guys, I'm back, and I don't know what I'm doing right now. I'm just trying to kill these dudes. Alright, let's see. I'm going to do, no, I keep clicking on the wrong thing every time. Let's do the sandstorm. This one sounds interesting. You gotta go to Burns Hill and drive around just like all the other videos. These are really easy to do, and I'm just really doing them because I'm bored, really. Ooh, I know what I'll do. I'll make another vehicle, and I'm gonna show you. No, not upgrades. What's that car called? Where's that? Oh, here. I'm gonna do the manifold. Funny. How's the radio still on if I'm not even in the car? I swear to God, people are retarded. This is one of my favorite cars. Yeah, it's so fun. No, I'm just gonna go on and go. Okay. I don't have any ammo in here. Wait. Okay, I got one bullet now. Alright. And somehow I missed. Every time I do a video, I'm always so far. You know, it's next one I'm just gonna go over there, and then before I get in the blue square, I'm gonna start the video because it's taking too long to get there. I probably shouldn't. Okay, I'm already there now. Just drive around again. I thought that was part of that's the gang operation. Just like drive around on just a road, try to stay in the same area though. Alright, I got it now. I'm gonna shoot all of these humans I have in here at the freaking car. It's gonna be funny. Now I'm getting stuck on a pole. Might gonna make it over there. Oh God. Okay. Now let's see. How's that not hitting you? You know what? Okay, he's off there now, so. What the heck was that? Did I just get seriously? I just got seriously sucked up in the car. I'm in the. Oh, wow. I didn't even know you could do that. Okay, now I gotta shoot myself. That is messed up. Now my car is there, and I don't know if I'll be able to get to it. Stop freaking trying to kill me, you idiots. Get away from that. Alright, I got the sandstorm. Ooh, I think I might keep this. No, I can't. Never mind. I've never seen one of these before, though. Oh, God. Oh, I guess I'm going this way. Yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, I'm a crazy driver. Oh, God. See, that's what happens when you're a crazy driver. Pick up the motorcycle before you get hit by a police car. Alright, let's go. I guess we're driving the wrong way now. It's gonna be fun. Be surprised if I get hit by. Oh, that's the motorcycle right there. So tiny. Oh God! Oh my God! How am I still? Thank God not fall off. I hate when I do that. They shouldn't have those big SWAT cars. They're freaking just. Oh god, just like that. It's just stupid. Get on there. Get on the vehicle. Go, 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 go with the hover around. No. Why do they have to be after me now? And while you go back past that place I went too fast, you should buy it. You get like $1,000 an hour. It's pretty good. I haven't checked my cash for a while. I'll probably have a whole bunch. I'll do that once I deliver this. I'm almost there. My third time in a row. Oh, I turned the wrong way. I feel so stupid. I could have swore that's why she was turning though. The cops are catching up with me. I'm gonna have to kill them. Alright. There we go. Now I got the vehicle. Any questions or anything like that? Now I gotta kill these freaking stags. Die. Okay, there we go. I guess he's dead. Well. Okay. Alright, bye.